Here we are in the Learning Systems LMS settings of MarketerLIVE, and we've just reviewed what the general settings, this general dashboard will read out. So let's move on to the course settings. And really, all of these things are going to be preset for you, so it isn't necessary to be doing any changes here based on these configurations, but we're just going to explain what all this means so that if you do want to make changes, you know how and where to do it. So here in this archive settings, we have for your courses page, you can choose how many courses you would like to display per page. The display settings here, you can change what the text is going to say on the button. So instead of take this course, maybe you want to say something different like purchase this today. That's something that you can change right here. And then similarly with the membership, you can change become a member to whatever you would like it to say. When a user is looking through your courses, there are these options here that are already enabled, so you can select or deselect. So you can say the author of the course, the image is displayed, the level of difficulty, the time duration that you estimate for this course, the excerpts can be displayed for the lessons in the navigation. And similarly with the course outline, this displays it on the course page. The titles of the outline can be displayed, the featured images. It's turned off, but you can turn that on. And enrolled students will see uncompleted lessons outlined in a certain way. I really like this auto advance. I think this is a great feature. Definitely recommend keeping this enabled. And this is just an auto advancement from one lesson to the next when the student presses the complete button. So make sure to save your changes, and we'll jump right into the membership component here. So again, it's very similar membership settings. Directs to the memberships page. Wouldn't want to change that. And you can then restrict the site by the membership level, so you can make it so that someone couldn't even see this page at all unless they had the membership. But you can redirect members to check out whenever someone selects it. So really, these are all here for you. If you change it, save your changes, but we'll be going into these in more depth as to how you can customize this even further down the line. All right, and last for this video, we'll be reviewing the account settings. And similarly to the membership settings, the defaults are all enabled and ready to go when you begin setting up your MarketerLIVE, but you can make changes to this if you would like. So yes, this is the account access page, and as you can see here, it's just recommending that you don't change this, but this is the page that it directs to, and you can choose whether or not to display the student memberships on the account page. And then below this is the account page slugs. So these are just the end of the URL here, for example, that you'll be directed to. And they just represent different actions in the user's account. The registration options below, you want to enable the registration on login page, use email addresses for usernames or not. This is up to you, but you can require users to enter their email address twice for accuracy. First and last name, require a terms and conditions checkbox, and then choose that page here if you had a terms and conditions page. So yeah, that's just in essence what the membership and accounts settings are in your learning system, and we'll move on to the checkout, payment, integration, and gateways after this.